So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Redmi Note 10 are MediaTek Dimensity 800U, 6.57 inches Full HD display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 10. There are two storage variants of Redmi Note 10, 6GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of Redmi Note 10, blue color, rainbow color and black color. This is the front side of Redmi Note 10. This is the back side of Redmi Note 10. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 10 will be end of the December. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 10 should be below 13,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.